Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through how to trade SPX on Robinhood. So let's get started. So one of the best methods to trade SPX on Robinhood is to open the app and log into your account using your account credentials. Then from there you have to tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Then in the search bar type in the following prompt, which is SPX or the S&P 500 index. Make sure you type in those prompts into the search bar. Then from there you have to select the SPX index option from the result. So what that is done, tap the trade, then choose the trade options, then pick an expiration date for your SPX option and choose your trade type, which is to call or to put depending on your market view. Then after that, enter your strike price and the numbers of contract. Then tap review, then submit to place your order. And that's how you can easily trade SPX on Robinhood. Hope you find the video helpful. Leave it, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.